Hello, I'm Dr. Sasha Peter Carter, and welcome to Geology 1403, Physical Geology and the Associated Lab. Why do we take geology? Because, one, it is a science. We'll discuss the logical foundations of science and what you can and cannot do with science as the lecture progresses. We'll also be discussing, of course, all the exciting things. We'll be discussing minerals here. This is a beautiful hunk of quartz from the local mountains just to our east. We'll be talking about rocks, a beautiful piece of layered limestone from central Texas, back when I was in Austin about 2 years ago. I can see some fossils. It's also about history, ancient time, scales of space and time. As we progress this semester, we'll be going on some journeys, not only through space, but also through time. Looking at evolution of past life, why it is that oysters from 40 million years ago look pretty much like oysters now, and why it is there are certain things like that look vastly different. It's a key to understanding the world around us, and not only understands context and history, but also relating to it in space. Indeed, one of the reasons that geology is being increasingly incorporated into elementary school curriculum is that it's a very important tool for teaching people how to relate to the world in 3, even 4 dimensions. And if you walk away from this class with 2 things, it's that I hope, one, you look at the world around you with a somewhat greater sense of awe and start to understand the various components of the world and your surroundings as part of a much larger, broader system that is connected to many things. Secondly, I hope that your navigation of space and time and the way you relate to these entities is improved. Third, I said there's only 2 things I hope to walk away with. There are 3 actually, but the first 2 are more important, is to understand the rocks and processes around you in intimate detail so that you can apply it to whatever you are doing with your life. Now, this is the first online class that I've ever done fully online, though I have been doing a bunch of half online classes for a while. So there's going to be a couple new things. There'll probably be a couple new glitches. One of my goals based on previous experiences is to try and simplify things for you guys as much as possible. So hopefully you're enjoying this video. Hopefully my videos are not more than 15 minutes each. I'll try to let you know how long they are. And that you got them. So there's going to be about 4 different ways to 4 or 5 different things that earn grades. You're going to get a every week we're going to have one in-class assignment. If you show up to class and participate in the chats, that assignment is done. However, I also want to give you some alternate assignments in case you can't make it to class. There's going to be one homework, which involves generally a little bit of reading, a little bit of viewing videos, and et cetera, and some writing. And then there will also be some lab activities each week. Not every week, but most. And I've been working on those quite a bit. And then finally, there are going to be some quizzes. These are going to be short little things to help you prepare for the exam, and then the actual exam itself. So I will leave off for now, and what you're going to do on the next video, it's going to be a scene from a movie. The setting might seem familiar if you're a Star Wars fan, and we're going to be looking at and you're going to want to look at it and see if you can see expressions of the scientific method in that video. So, as I do want to make the best use of your time, I'm going to sign off for now, and I look forward to communicating with you over the next 8 weeks.